Fundamentals of Ayurveda is a Gateway Workshops online course that has been designed to introduce you to the principles of this ancient belief system, which, when put into practice, can benefit your life and the lives of your loved ones. Ayurveda was developed thousands of years ago in India and is based on the belief that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between the mind, the body, and the spirit. It encompasses all aspects of our well-being, from breathing through to digestion. By taking Fundamentals of Ayurveda from Gateway Workshops, you'll learn key aspects of Ayurveda, such as the history, the fundamental practice principles, the 7 chakras, Srotra pathways, balancing doshas, and much more. This introductory course is perfect for beginners and a great starting point to learning about this fascinating practice. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate and, if desired, the guidance on how to take your training further. Learn in your own time and at your own pace within the course timescale, and our expert tutors will be there every step of the way to help you reach your potential. Join the thousands of satisfied students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. Choose the Fundamentals of Ayurveda course from Gateway Workshops today and start finding balance in your life. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.